Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Audi detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with an Audi, start by determining your monthly income. Subtract your fixed expenses like rent and utilities from your income. Identify variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Create a category for automotive expenses, including fuel, insurance, and maintenance. Research the total cost of ownership for the Audi model you are considering. Include finance payments, if applicable, based on your purchasing method. Set aside money for unexpected repairs and regular maintenance. Next, consider depreciation as a factor in your budget. Allocate a portion of your income to savings for future car needs. Use budgeting tools or apps to keep track of your expenses accurately. Review your budget monthly to adjust as necessary. Make sure to update your budget for any lifestyle changes, such as a new job or moving. Prioritize your spending based on needs versus wants, especially related to your Audi. If you have debt, create a plan to pay it down alongside your Audi expenses. Regularly compare your budgeted versus actual spending to stay on track. By maintaining a clear and detailed budget, you can enjoy the benefits of owning an Audi without financial stress. Implement discipline and stick to your budget to maximize your experience. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized budgeting strategies. Stay informed on any changes in insurance rates or fuel prices that could affect your budget. Finally, always save receipts and documents related to your Audi purchases for easy reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.